Things taken, all drawers, everything they ransacked here, opened, all the envelopes and all they kept it on top. The new one which we have to brought to extend the CCTV.
So they have removed DVLR also.
Yeah, so this was not attached.
Okay.
So that they have kept.
Infant Jesus Academy at Velsa was struck by thieves last night. This is the second school in Mormugao Taluka targeted by thieves. According to the principal of the school, cash worth 35,000 rupees and DVR worth 30,000 rupees were stolen from the school. Thieves gained entry by breaking the lock. Police started the investigation. Dog squad was also called in. Big plots for sale from 1,000 to 20,000 square meters at Mapsa, Menkurem and Dhargal. Contact Big Tycoon.
Our MTS staff came, and he's the first one who always comes here. So when he came here, he saw that the lock was broken, the gate was open. So he just stepped in and saw the office door. Office door, both the locks were broken, and then he just saw inside. Everything was in a mess. Immediately I reached at around 7:10. So I also just stepped in, but didn't go directly inside the office. But from outside we saw our donation box, which we keep and open it up only in the month of April. And we get around 20-25,000 in that, where people donate whenever they visit the school, which we utilize for our students. So that whole thing is broken, that money is being taken. Only some few coins are kept. Then we have our Xerox machine, where we have a small fund for that. Beyond the school work, whoever wants, we charge them a rupee. And again, at the end of the year, we open it, we utilize it for the repairs of the machine of ours. Then in the office, the DVLR of 16 channels is being stolen. It is just being taken, removed everything, and it is being taken. And I had bought one more new one, because we wanted to upgrade in our primary section, where we don't have the CCTV. It was not connected, only that is kept. All my drawers are ransacked. All the envelopes, whichever they are kept on my table. We have a small monument of our infant Jesus that was thrown down. We went inside the office part sideways. One cupboard was broken and it was open. They ransacked everything there, but luckily there was no money in there. Then our clerical staff, their tables, some money was there which was inside the drawer and all, everything has been taken. So estimated around 50 to 60,000 we have suffered a loss. And request to the Department of Education, irrespective of the strength of the school, that every school should be given security. Because on and off now these incidents are taking place and no outcome is come as yet. 2 days before in St. Teresa's, January 6th, it was a neighboring school, St. Thomas. Some months back, Valley School. Then in Dar Bandora. And it's a modus operandi which is being taking place. They are just taking the DVLR so that there is no proof which is left to identify the culprits.
आता जर आम्ही तो पळयलो जाल्यार आता रिसेंटली आमच्या सेंट ट्रिजा ते मांगोर हिल थिंगाय 2-4 दिसां आमी पेपराचे वाचिलां मिडियाचे पळयलां थिंगाय चोरी जाली. आता हिंगा तर आमी पळयलो जाल्यार सेम इस्टाल ही चोरी हिंगाय जाल्या. आता हे भाशेन चोरी जावप आनी असले इस्कलांनी तो त्रास करप तांकां एक ते गँग आहा अशें दिसता, कित्याक तेंगेले पॅटर्न जो आतां चोयला तो. सो इस्कलांक तांकां आतां आमकां सर उलयतालो तेंगे डोनेशन बॉक्स फोडला, तितले पयशे वयले. सो ही एक सेट आहा, तो तांकां खबर आहा बाबा इस्कलांक कित्याक चोताय, कितें मेळटा. सो दे आर प्रिपेर्ड नाव आनी ते भाशेन ते आतां मुखार 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 चोरीत वयतले, हे भाशेन जातले. सो म्हाका आमचे कोर्ताली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आतां भिरांत दिसता की हे भाशेन तरी जाले तो मुखार कितें करपाचें. सो मुगेलो रिक्वेस्ट आहा. सो एक गोवा ह्युमन रिसोर्स डेव्हलपमेंटा कडेन की तेमी एक सेक्युरिटी दिची, कित्याक हें धाकलें स्कूल तांकां कडेन तितली कॅपेसिटी आसची ना. सो आमचो बाब रोदोल्फ एज अ चेअरमॅन हेजो GHRDCचो, सो तेंच्यान न्हू एक सेक्युरिटी प्रोवायड केलें जाल्यार न्हू आमी उपकारी. कित्याक नाजाल्यार न्हू हे भाशेन चोरी जायत वयतले मुखार मुखार आनी कितें कोन्न ते प्रोवायड करतले